This printer is Epson EcoTank L3280. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network. You can connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network from the control panel or use your mobile phone with the app. Connect it using the control panel. Scroll to the Wi-Fi setup. Then select OK to Wi-Fi setup. Then it will show you Wi-Fi recommended. Then select OK. You can print wirelessly from computer and devices via Wi-Fi. Then select OK. Then it will show you Wi-Fi setup wizard. Then select OK. Then it will start to search for SSID. So it's going to search for available Wi-Fi network, and they found the network available. The next thing to do, you need to select OK to the network. Then it will ask you to enter password. So I have the password. I'm going to put the details. So to put the password, then use up or side arrow button to go to a particular character. Once you put the password, then go all the way to the end and select OK. Then it will show you setting up. Setup complete. Then you select OK. So the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. If you look on the Wi-Fi icon, you will see that the Wi-Fi image is in blue color. If you look on the Wi-Fi, the icon is in blue. Initially, it was in gray or blank color. So once it's connected to Wi-Fi network, you see the image in blue. So after you connected this printer to Wi-Fi network from the control panel, if you want to add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to Windows Start, select Start, go to your laptop settings, then select Bluetooth and devices, then select printers and scanners, then add a device. It's going to search for available printer. Look from the list Epson L3280 series, printer and scanners, add device. So it's connecting. So the printer is connecting. It will show you installing. And the printer is showing us ready. If you want to print a test page to confirm it, you need to select on the printer Epson EcoTank. Select on it L3280 series. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. Select print test page. So the document is printing. This is window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. It will show you the date. Color support, yes. Data, raw. Windows X64. You want to scan document, go to the settings, select printers and scanners, select add a device. To add the scanner, it will show you the scanner. So you need to add the scanner as well. Epson L3280, select add device. So the scanner is adding up. It's connecting. Now it's installing the scanner and it will show you ready. So if you want to scan document, then you need to put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Stick the document on the glass scanner. Close the cover. Then select Epson L3280 series. Select on it. It will show you scanner settings. Select on the scanner settings, then open scanner. Then go on the left side, scroll down to select Epson L3280 series. Select on it. Select source flatbed or auto-configured. File type PDF. Show more. Resolution. Can scroll down to select resolution up to 1200 dpi. So 300 dpi selected. We want to save the file in document. Then select scan. So the document is scanning. Then you select view. This is the document. If you want to print it out, you select Ctrl P. Then go on the left side, select the correct printer. Epson L3280 series. Select on it. Then you select orientation, portrait. Want to print it in color. The size A4 plain paper. Then you select print. So the document is printing. So this is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another method to add this is for us to go to Epson website in your region, select Windows Start. So type Epson support. Epson support driver, download and product help. Select on it. Then you type product name. You can type product by name or serial number. So this printer is Epson EcoTank L3280. L3280. So select Epson L3280. Select on it. This is the printer. Then scroll down, select Epson product setup. Select on it. Epson product setup contains everything you need to use the printer. This program download and install the latest driver and software for your Epson product. So select download. Then you go on the right side, open the file, Epson web installer setup. Select yes. So it's updating. Location, open location. Then switch location on. So the location is on. Then select next. Click next to begin setup. Thank you for choosing Epson product. Then select OK. Then licensing agreement. Read end user agreement. Select accept. Have you read? Then select yes or no. Provision of product usage information. This is collecting of the data. I'm going to uncheck this. They are not compulsory. Then select next. Check the following. Have you installed the ink tank? Confirm I have freed the ink tank. Then select next. So it's now downloading the required software. Downloading printer driver. Installing printer driver. It will show you checking the environment. Then you need to select the connection method. This printer is already connected to Wi-Fi network. If you connect the printer using a USB cable, then you select USB cable. In this case, we connected it via Wi-Fi network. So we need to select connect via Wi-Fi. And the printer is found. So you found the serial number and the MAC address and IP address. So you select on it. Then select next. So now it's downloading. Network setup, please wait. Setup is in progress, please wait. Then it will show you select the software that you require. Then select next. Checking ink initialization, checking firmware update. So if you look, you will see licensing agreement is ticked. Selection is done. Firmware update. I'm going to skip firmware update. Print test page. We show you, congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer. Then select next. Checking the system. Then you select your region, select OK to your region. Then it will show you the product serial number. To register, I'm going to skip registration. Setup is complete. Then select finish. So it will show you the printer Epson L3280 series and also show you Windows. So this is how to set this printer up. The full setup guide. Thank you very much indeed.